I mi yaru for a nuri falshiu just eat listed in the Bhialann Gasta is Fearr sa cheer. One and Bhialann shot Burrito Loco Leitir Ceanainn and Cade at a mac agus mar shinde ní ro ein ra el ogum a cuairt hort arhu.
This is where it all happens, Micheál.
This is the magic.
And this is the daily ritual per day. And on a weekly basis, we chop 400 kilos of peppers per week. It takes 3 hours per day to chop the peppers for each day. And it's one of the reasons why we've all got severe back problems.
Who gets that lovely job? That's what I want to know. Well, tá much cool start tá much sa kitchen and show Burrito Loco tá am loan Bhialann Mearbhia tá much force flat out. Agus Tommy banished for the hatch and acting. So Tommy, first thing I want to say is congratulations.
Thank you.
Huge award. Were you expecting it?
No. Absolutely not.
I'm a big fan of the food here. Whenever I'm home drinking time myself, I always get down. So I know why you won, but why do you think you won?
You're passionate about nutrition in here. At Burrito Loco, we don't use any oils. We have certain rules which we cook with. So any items we have in our menu, we have a list of rules that we can't do it inside the style of our cooking. We just don't do it. So if there's oil involved, we don't go there. So we strip food back. We make it very simple. We make it as fresh as possible. We just take our time with it. We're looking to be expand right around Ireland. We might be. Are we looking just to expand one more time, but still keep it local and still keep it ours and keep it, within Donegal?
Agus gan éon doubt ní raibh mé able to Burrito Loco a aghaidh gan é a chrial dom héin agus níor legu séas mé. Well, tá mé ar móthar nniu sa mar sin, they bé mé ag him a Burrito Loco ar móthar a feicir sin, lads. Scaim mé rá an maithin atá I bunch seo, tá sé aonta tromar fad, ach béis seo I lig I my wallug gan well. Well, tá má céad bhéile a Burrito Loco críochnaí agam sin is. Bhí galore dwór fiáil an, bhí blas aonta uair in a glasí ar fad agus é sin ar fad ráitní chuann sé aonú orm sa cén fearr ar one shade sin amach an tidil mar an takeaway is Fearr sa cheer agus gan éon doubt bé mé héana arás an.
Bit dry from the pepper spice, holding my head high and dive in a shepherd's pie.